Good morning, children. We studied about the boiling and freezing. In boiling, we came to know that boiling point and the condensation point of water are one and the same. What is boiling? When normal water is supplied with the heat, it boils. It converts into vapor. That process is called as boiling. And in condensation, we studied that vapors, when cooled down, it converts into liquid again. This is called as a condensation. Are you clear about it? After that, in freezing, we studied when normal liquid or water it is cooled down. At that time, it converts into its solid form, that is called as a freezing. Okay. We also studied that freezing point and the melting point of a substance is same. Then what is melting? When ice which is in solid condition on supplying the heat, it melts. It converts into the liquid water, that is called as a melting. Here also you have to keep one thing in mind, that melting point and freezing point of the substance is same. Okay. Now come to the figure which is given here. The diagrammatic figure. What is shown here? While gaining heat, what happens? Liquid, a water, we will take the example of a water only. Liquid water, when it is gaining the heat, it converts into gaseous form. See the arrow, that water starts boiling and converts into vapor. That same water, okay, the same water, when it is cooled, it converts into, come to the lower figure, when that water is cooled, that process is called as the freezing and it converts into solid form. Okay. So while gaining heat, solid ice, it melts, converts into liquid, and again after gaining more heat, liquid converts into vapor. Process is called as boiling. While losing heat, water vapors, they cool down and convert into water. Again when they lose more heat, they freezes, converts into solid, that is the ice. It means here, in changing the state of a substance, that is converting solid into liquid and liquid into gas, two processes are there, melting and boiling, wherein heat is gained, while when heat is lost from the substance, from the water, two processes are there, freezing and the condensation. Total four processes are there: boiling, condensation, melting, freezing. And you are clear now that boiling point and a condensation point is the same, while melting point and a freezing point is also the same. Are you clear about this? Now, what are the uses of changes in physical state? Why the change of state of a substance changes? What is its use? Number 1, candles are made by melting paraffin wax. Means when we melt the wax, we can give different shape to the wax. Okay, candles of different shapes you had seen